Hello and welcome to another SAP Ariba self-service video series. Today I'll be doing a demo of the improved on behalf of buying experience within guided buying. The challenges with users trying to buy on behalf of other users is trying to set the right purchasing context and also struggling to find the right preferred or qualified suppliers, and in the process leading to inefficient and time-consuming checkout errors. And that's why the goal of this feature is to reduce the error thrown at the checkout screen and also giving much more flexibility to set the right purchasing context when you're buying on behalf of another user. This can be achieved by changing the setting of this parameter in the admin section of guided buying within the manage parameters. Also, please note that you can only change parameters in guided buying if you belong to customer administrator or customer catalog manager group. Let's meet Jean. Jean is an executive assistant based out of the UK. She is requested to order a new laptop for her manager who is actually based in Germany, but due to the current situation, stuck in Switzerland. She needs to make sure that the laptop will arrive in the right location. So let's take a look on what Jean is able to see. We are logged in as Jean and this is the current guided buying landing page. Now if we navigate over to the IT hardware and services tile, let's just have a look at what she is able to see. What you will see here is what Jean is allowed to buy in her region for her own company code. You have some catalogs in here, some preferred IT suppliers and some forms. And I want to draw your attention to the preferred IT suppliers as they will change when we buy on behalf of. With the new on behalf of feature, we have introduced numerous improvements. Before, you are only able to select the user on whom you will buy on behalf of. But now you will also be able to select some more information to act on behalf of. So we are going to act on behalf of the manager Alex and just go ahead with the standard data. If we go down, you can already see that the landing page has changed. We are now going to have a look into the IT and hardware services section. What you're seeing now is everything in the right purchasing context for Alex, who is currently in Germany. So you can see different types of catalogs and in here also different types of preferred suppliers. So for example, Briggs and Stratton hasn't been there for Jean in the first place. Now Alex again, but this time change to ship to Switzerland. Going to change the user and have a look to review the information. So this is the company code and purchasing org, and obviously this is applicable only for SAP variants. And if you don't have SAP backend, then you will go with the purchasing unit. This is the information I can change for the requester on behalf of. And as we said, Alex is currently stuck in Switzerland. And let's start to request on behalf of. Again, let's navigate into the IT and hardware services tile and look, it changed again. The preferred IT suppliers are now shown as the ship to is in Switzerland. So with the new redesign, the on behalf of feature, we are actually able to drive the right purchasing context. Let's go ahead and add a laptop to our cart. The process is as is, and we have made also some improvements in the checkout page. There will be less errors thrown on the checkout screen. Jean is requesting on behalf of Alex. We now need to justify the IT frame policy. We need a new one because the old one didn't go with Alex on holiday. Hence, we need to ship a laptop to Switzerland. You can also see that the approval is changing if we request on behalf of, but this is really how you would like to set it up in your organization. So let's go ahead and submit the shopping cart. All is done. The requisition has been sent to the user Alex for approval, and now we are good to go. This demo shows how the improved on behalf of buying experience helps with setting the right purchasing context. Thank you for watching. If you have any further questions, please contact your SAP Ariba Customer Engagement Executive or visit SAP Ariba Help for more information.